Hello everyone, myself Rutuja Modi. Currently I am studying in a BTech in a computer engineering. So today's my topic name is data types in a Java. There are two data types, mainly primitive and non-primitive. It has a primitive data types which are a types predefined. It has a language and named by a reverse keyword. Those include a byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. So the primitive data types, in a primitive data type it store a single values and are not a object. Another is a integer data types. It is in a integer data type it is a 8-bit signed integer minus 128 to 127 16-bit signed as in a integer. It is a 32 bytes signed the integer. So the long are store a 16-bit and signed the integer. So the another data type is a float. Float is a gives a value on a point. So the float are gives a 32 bits. So the another is a double is a 64 bit size are given. Character type data type it is a char. It is involved in a 16 byte. Another data type is a boolean. Boolean is represented a true or false values. So the another data type is a reference type of data. Reference data type it is a used to refer the object. For example, it include a classes, interfaces, arrays and they are a store the data directly instant, and they hold a reference to the memory location. So the where a data is stored, then another are Java data type is a wrapper classes. Java provide a wrapper classes for each primitive data types, allowing them to be used for the object. Wrapper class is include a byte, short, integer, long, float, double, char, etc. So the in another is a boolean. And then we are array data types are used to store multiple values of the same data type. They can hold a primitive data type or reference data type. So the another data type is a string. String are a sequence of characters in a Java. They are a non-primitive data types but are a widely used and supported by the language type. In a type C conversion, Java is support automatic type. So the conversion, when a smaller data type is converted into a larger data type. So the explicit typecasting are a required when the converting a larger data type into smaller data type. Then the type typecasting in the expressions in a Java, and we are use a mixed data type in automatically and promoted the smaller data type to the larger ones before performing the operation on the data. Then the understanding the those concepts is essential for effective Java programming. Let me know if you need to more detail. If we more detailed explanation. So for the use the example, we are a given in data type and a double data type. In data type we are a store only integer value, and double data type we can use a double value. Means a point values are stored in a double data type. So we are given any data type. So in the first we are given in data type. In a next we are given int. In the Java there are a presenting data types are below. So we are a primitive and non-primitive. Primitive are a integer, char, float, byte, etc., and non-primitive are involved in array, classes, string, etc. etc. Thank you.